Workshop to explore the benefits of employing blockchain technologies in providing data digitally to enhance trade facilitation in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi. Communication and convergence, preparation and readiness, active participation from senior officials, high-level representation from Abu Dhabi Customs and Trade Lens, in addition to strategic partners from other government agencies and the private sector. Awareness and sharing experiences, better awareness and understanding of the data exchange standards that can support customs mission is critical for increasing their level of performance and consistency of implementation. Interaction and discussion. Use of advanced technologies by Abu Dhabi Customs to facilitate and secure cross-border trade, together with blockchain, in cooperation with the companies that can contribute to end-to-end digital customs processing. Vision and strategy. A world-class customs authority that adopts the best technological solutions for invisible customs and smart borders. Blockchain paves the way to end-to-end digital customs processing.